Alright, this is a very dingy looking line with all this sea trash. Look at what Robert just found. Yes, look at that wormy. Don't ignore the wreck lines. There can be good stuff in between all this washed up Flotsam and Jetsam. We are here on Captiva Island, South Seas Resort, trying to social distance, and people come up, so they better stay away. I'm gonna get a little crabby. Robert, ooh, this is gonna look so good in my little shelling jar. If I can get it, and see, I just have this bag. And let me tell you, my bucket's a lot easier, but oh my god, my bucket is definitely a lot easier. I can't get this open. Did I accidentally close it? I'm breaking it. Did I accidentally? Okay, never mind. See, I can't even figure out a Ziploc baggie. I'm going back to my bucket method. This is too hard. I never closed it. I'm not smart enough for Ziploc bags.
Find the shell.
Alright, do you see something? Are we doing hot and cold? Hot and cold.
It's small, but
It's small?
it's small. It's not small, it's small though.
Is it in between your feet? No.
It's in front of me.
It's in front of you.
There's actually two.
Okay, wait. I see it. Is it
Three.
this? Is it this one right
That's one,
here?
yep.
Alright. Ooh, and a worm.
Yep.
Alright, that's two.
And then
Alright, hold on. You see a third.
this one's tinier.
Tinier?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't take
Keep
the
going.
pressure. I can't take the pressure. I don't see it. This one?
Yep. What about the one next to it?
What about, oh, it is itty bitty. Oh my
Not
god.
that one.
Oh.
This one.
You have a, listen, grab the, okay, this isn't working out. This is not working out. Open the bag. I don't want to lose this itty bitty one because I'm making a shell jar that's really, look, oh my god, all kinds of delights.
That's what I said.
Oh, was that the one? This is it. Hot and cold game wasn't quite working.
No, there were shells that were next to shells I didn't even see.
Alright, this hat is not working out. The sun's going down. I'm going to flip it backwards. I'm going to be a 18-year-old high school student. Wear my hair backwards. How do I look? Do I look very cool?
Alright, that was fun.
Alright, no, that's not working. I got to turn it back normal. It was blocking the wind. Problems. I've got problems.
And then when you start seeing shells, then you see other people mocking you.
Someone was mocking you?
No, they're like doing what we're doing.
Oh,
Because they see us
copying.
getting.
It's called copying.
Oh yeah, copy. I said mocking.
You said mocking. I'm like, they're making fun of you. I'll go
Mocking,
take.
yes, I think mocking.
I'll take them down.
Mocking.
Copying is something. No, mocking is making fun of. Completely different. Look at that.
Mockingbird copy.
Oh, I see what you're saying. We were talking about mockingbirds
That's
earlier.
here in a few minutes. Cheesy.
Story time.
Factor. What is that? That's nothing.
Alright, I still want to keep walking down to where all the people are at. Look at that huge. That's going to be one big crab right there. They come out at night. Just be aware of that if you do night walking. You could be scared by a crab. What is this bright orange thing right here? Look at that. I don't know what it is. It's not real. What is it? Robert, what is this? Is some kind of fishing thing?
Yeah, it's dead fishing line. You take it.
Why? I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna throw it away. I don't want a turtle to get a hold of it. I saw the orange thing and I thought it was a little orange shell. It's man-made garbage. Garbage, people. Garbage. I'll take it. I don't want turtles. I didn't realize there was this many turtles here. as there is on Sanibel. So you gotta be careful so the turtles don't get caught up in fishing line. Okay, so it's not. So it's not making fun of.
Mimic in sport or derision is another one.
Okay. Well, Robert, you can never be wrong. So prove me wrong yet again. Yet again. Mama's wrong again. That's a little. What's the word, Robert?
I want to use the right
Barnacle.
Words. Look at that little barnacle.
I never say the right words. Kind of.
That one's the tiniest of
Ooh,
all.
look at that. Ooh, and I lose it.
How did I even see that?
I don't know. Your eyesight better than mine. He doesn't wear glasses. Can you believe that? Never. I'm not going to say how old he is. Older than me. And he's never had to wear glasses.
No.
He has perfect eyesight. It's not fair. I don't. Because my eyesight's going to go and when I'm old and decrepit and blind, you're going to have a blind wife that you're going to have to take care of. That's pretty much.
Great.
That's okay. You don't have to read me books. They make audio books. Oh. Is that, oh man. That could have been so good. So yeah. You don't have to read books to me. It's okay. And I don't watch much TV, so really, give me an audiobook and I'll be happy. Anything? Alright, where'd the sun go?